Before you purchase, if you'd like some ideas on how to customize this frame to fit your artwork, check it out. And I'm going to show you a really fun and easy way to make this frame your own. First, what I did is I took some paper and I kind of slid it between the two layers of the mat. So now I'm going to loosen it up. Obviously, I painted the outside the color that I wanted. Oh, I'm so pleased. Look how clean that is. We're just gonna set it inside. Here is my print. I'm gonna kind of center it up high so I can actually get the artist's signature inside. Now it comes with these hanging hooks, so you wanna make sure that you slide those in first. Back slips inside. Moment of truth. I'm so happy. There you have it, Amazon. A simple way to make the art the way that you want.